how to delete games on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete games on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting games or deleting an app, whatever you're trying to delete doesn't really matter because it can definitely be removed. Now, depending upon the phone that you're using, sometimes the games might not show up outside. In the case of my Samsung phone, the games that I use will be gone automatically to Gaming Hub, or known as Gaming Center. And when I go inside it, I should be able to find the games where I can tap the details option and then tap the trash icon here to delete that particular game. Otherwise, what you can do is on any Android phone, you can open up your settings. And then once you open settings, you can just go to apps. Now once you go to apps, you can select a certain game that maybe you would like to remove. And so let's say there's a certain game, you can select that and then just tap on the uninstall button from the bottom of the screen to uninstall that app. This way you can delete games on your phone. Doesn't matter whether it's a game or whether it's an application. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.